simultaneous equation, that is word problems. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. First you understand the meaning of these word problems. The denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. This is the first part of the problem. The denominator म्हणजे छेद and numerator म्हणजे अंश. The denominator of a fraction is a 4 more than twice its numerator. म्हणजे अपूर्णांकाचा छेद हा अंशाच्या दुप्पटीपेक्षा 4 ने जास्त आहे. Second part is denominator become 12 times the numerator if both numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. जर अंश आणि छेद 6 ने कमी केला असता अपूर्णांकाचा छेद अंशाच्या 12 पट होतो, तर तो अपूर्णांक कोणता? अशा प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेमचा अर्थ आहे. To solve these problems, we have to consider the two variables as numerator and denominator. Let numerator of fraction be x and denominator of fraction be y. Then we can write the fraction numerator upon denominator. This fraction is x upon y. The first condition, the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator is a y, numerator is a x. Denominator हा अंशाच्या दुप्पटीपेक्षा 4 ने जास्त आहे. Means denominator of fraction means y is equal to twice numerator more by 4, means y is equal to twice of numerator is the 2x more 4 means plus 4. Then we get this 2x plus 4 is equal to y. We can write this equation. Y goes on this side, we get minus 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is the first equation. Similarly, to obtain the second equation for the second condition, denominator become 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. जर अंश आणि छेद 6 ने कमी केला असता त्या अपूर्णांकाचा छेद अंशाच्या 12 पट असतो, असा याचा अर्थ आहे. Then numerator and denominator reduced by 6 means numerator is a x minus 6 and denominator is a y minus 6. म्हणजे अंश आणि छेद 6 ने कमी केलेला आहे. Then to write the second condition, when denominator is the y minus 6 is a 12 times of numerator, 12 multiply x minus 6. 12 multiply in a bracket x minus 6, then we get y minus 6 is equal to 12 into x, 12x minus 12 into minus 6 is 72. To rearrange this equation, first write 12x minus 72, then next to write y minus 6. Then in this equation, plus y goes on this side, we get minus 12 minus y. Minus 72 goes on this side, we get plus minus 6 plus 72. Then 12x minus y is equal to 66. This is the equation number 2. इथपर्यंत सर्वांनी लिहून घ्या. इथपर्यंतचा भाग सर्वांना समजलाय? हो, लिहून घ्या इथपर्यंत. चला, y minus 6 is equal to 12 in bracket x minus 6, 12 multiply in bracket x minus 6, then we get the 12x minus 72, then 12x minus 72 is equal to y minus 6, plus y goes on this side, we get 12 minus x, 12x minus y is equal to minus 6, minus 72 goes on this side, we get plus 12x minus y is equal to 66. This is the equation number 2. Observe the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here in equation 1, 2x minus y is equal to minus 4, and equation 2, 12x minus y is equal to 66. The coefficient of y is a same. Having same sign, then subtracting equation 1 and 2, then we get minus multiply to second equation, then minus 2x minus minus plus also is equal to minus minus plus, then change sign we have to consider. Plus y minus y get cancelled, 12x minus 2x is equal to 10x, 10x is equal to 70, 66 plus 4 is equal to 70. This 10 goes on this side, we get divide, x is equal to 70 upon 10, then we get 10 7 70, x is equal to 7. Then the value of x substitute in equation number 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4, x is equal to 7, 2 into 7 minus y is equal to minus 4, 2 7s are 14, minus y minus 4. Then this 14 goes on this side, we get minus, minus 4 minus 14 is the minus 18, y is equal to 18. This is the value of y. Then we get the numerator is the x and denominator is the y. Required fraction is x upon y is the 7 upon 18. This is the required fractions. This is the answer. सर्वांना समजलंय का? हा, सलग लिहून सर्वांचा. ठीक आहे. We have to see the next problem. हा, लिहून झालं नाही का? The next problem. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. If numerator is decreased by 2 and denominator is increased by 1, then the denominator is 8 times the numerator. Find the fraction. In this problem, first to determine the two parts of the word problems. First part is the numerator of fraction is 4 less than the denominator. This is the first part. And second part, if the numerator is decreased by 2 and denominator is increased by 1, then denominator is 8 times the numerator. Find the fractions. Solve these problems where to consider numerator and denominator. Let numerator of fraction be x and denominator of fraction be y. Then we get the fraction is x by y. From this first condition, we can write the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. अपूर्णांकाचा अंश छेदापेक्षा 4 ने लहान आहे. Numerator of fraction, numerator is a x. This is a LHS side is a x. Is 4 less than the denominator. Denominator is a y, less than 4 means y minus 4. Then this plus y goes on this side, we get minus x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is the equation number 1. Similarly, we can write the second part. Second part is if the numerator is decreased by 2 and denominator is increased by 1, then denominator is 8 times the numerators. जर अंश 2 ने कमी केला, numerator is decreased by 2, this is x minus 2. आणि जर छेद 1 ने वाढवला, denominator increased by 1 is equal to y plus 1. Then condition is the denominator is 8 times the numerator. Denominator is a y plus 1. This is equal to 8 times of numerator. 8 multiply x minus 2. This is the numerator. Then 8 multiply in a bracket. Then we get y plus 1 is equal to 8x minus 16. We can write 8x minus 16 is equal to y plus 1. Then the minus 16 goes on this side, we get plus, and plus y goes on this side, we get minus. Then we get 8x minus y is equal to 1 plus 16, and 8x minus y is equal to 16 plus 1 is a 17. Then we get this is the equation number 2. 8x minus y is equal to 1 plus 16. Then 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Then 8x minus y is equal to 17, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, equation number 1 and equation number 2 having the coefficient of y is the same, minus y, coefficient is a minus 1 having same sign. Then subtracting equation 1 and 2, then we get 8x minus y is equal to 17 and x minus y is equal to minus 4. Then subtract equation 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. Then sign changes of the second equation subtract from first. Minus x minus minus plus y is equal to plus 4. Then 8x minus 1 is equal to 17x minus y plus y get 0 is equal to 17 plus 4 is equal to 21. Then x multiply 7, 7 goes on this side, we get divide. Then x is equal to 21 by 7, 7 3s are 21. Then we get x is equal to 3. This is the value of x variable, x is equal to 3. This value x put in equation first. Then x minus y is equal to minus 4. The value of x is equal to 3 minus y is equal to minus 4. This 3 goes on the next side, then you get minus, then minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 7, y is equal to 7. Hence, the required fraction is x upon y. Is the value of x is equal to 3 is the numerator and y is equal to 7 is at denominator. Then we get fraction is 3 by 7. This is the answer. Write down. A fraction is 1 by 3 if 1 is subtracted from both its numerator and denominator. If 1 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. First, you understand the meaning of this word. A fraction is 1 by 3 if 1 is subtracted from both its numerator and denominator. जर अपूर्णांकाच्या अंशातून आणि छेदातून 1 वजा केला असता तो अपूर्णांक 1/3 येतो. This is the first part of the problem. Second part, if 1 is added both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. आणि जर अंशामध्ये आणि छेदामध्ये 1 मिळवला असता तो अपूर्णांक 1/2 मिळतो. तर तो अपूर्णांक कोणता? Here we have to consider the numerator and denominator will be x and y. Let numerator of fraction is a x, denominator of fraction is a y, and then we get the fraction. Let numerator of fraction is equal to x and denominator is y, then we get the fraction is equal to x upon y. From the first condition, a fraction is 1 upon 3 by 1 is subtracted from both its numerator and denominator. First, 1 is subtracted from numerator, that is x minus 1. 1 is subtracted also denominator, y minus 1. Then we get the fraction is 1 by 3. Then x minus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Here cross multiplication to multiply 3 multiply x minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 multiplied to 1 y minus 1. 3 multiply each and every term in the bracket. 3 into x is a 3x minus 3 is equal to y minus 1 plus y goes on this side, we get minus 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 plus 3 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to plus 2. Then we get equation number 1, 3x minus y is equal to 2. Then from second condition, if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Find the fractions. Second condition is 1 is added to both numerator. Therefore, 1 added to numerator x plus 1. 1 added to denominator y plus 1. Their fractions become 1 by 2. Then we get x plus 1 upon y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Here also cross multiplication. Then we get second equation. Write down here. इथपर्यंत सर्वांनी लिहून घ्या. Then 2 multiply x plus 1 and y plus 1 multiply 1. Then we get 2 in bracket x plus 1 is equal to y plus 1. 2 multiply x plus 1, 2 into x is a 2x plus 2 into 1 is a plus 2 is equal to y plus 1. Y goes on this side, we get minus 2x minus y is equal to 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is a minus 1. Then we get equation number 2. 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. From equation 1 and 2. Equation number 1 is 3x minus y is equal to 2 and equation number 2 is a 2x minus 1. Then coefficient of y is the same, having same sign. Then subtracting equation 1 and 2. Then we get 3x minus y is equal to 2 minus 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 multiply to the second equation, then their sign change. Minus plus minus 2x minus minus plus y is equal to minus minus plus 1. Then plus y minus y is equal to get cancel. कोण आहे तो लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय तो, त्याला सूचना आहे, तू समजून सांग मग. 3x minus 2x is equal to x is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. This is the variable of x value. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Put in equation 1 or 2. Then we get, put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 3. 3 into 3 minus y is equal to 2. 3 3 is 9 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2 minus 9. Minus y is equal to minus 7. Then y is equal to 7. The value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Then we get required fraction x upon y is equal to 3 by 7. Write down. First problem for homework. The sum of numerator, write down. The sum of numerator and denominator is 12. If denominator is increased by 3, the fraction become 1 by 2. Find the fraction. The sum of numerator and denominator is 12. If the denominator is increased by 3, the fraction become 1 by 2. Find the fraction. And second problem, a fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and the denominator. It becomes 5 by 7. If 2 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, find the fraction.